it's not that Arav doesn't speak, Arav doesn't interact with his teachers, Arav doesn't play with the other children, he's completely in his own world. Every time list निकालता थे, वो लोग निकालते थे और हम लोग देखते थे that Arav's name was not there. My husband used to be heartbroken more than me क्योंकि our child was not getting admission in any school. I could see my child just running out from there, completely red, security guards running behind him, trying to catch him. ये बच्चा totally out of control है. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. He is a child. He is not okay. We can't keep him in the school. So hi, I'm Rakima and I'm from Kolkata, and today I'm going to share my journey with my son Arav, who is in the autism spectrum disorder, and he's just 9 years old. Arav was detected that he was in the autism spectrum when he was 2 years 3 months old. And मैं तभी एक बहुत ही reputed MNC में काम कर रही थी, and आरव को मुझे प्री स्कूल में डालना था. तो I put Arav in preschool and all his milestones were completely normal. मतलब मेरे लिए he was completely normal, just that he had speech delay. So at 2 year 3 months he was just blabbering and making few noises. तो बहुत लोगों ने मुझे बताया कि उसको प्री स्कूल में डाल दीजिए and he will be completely normal going with the other kids. तो मैंने उसको प्री स्कूल में डाला and I was happy in my office. So 9 to 6 job, and sometimes it used to extend to 8 o'clock. But few days after I put him in the preschool, Arav's principal called me और उसने बताया कि आप अर्जेंटली आ जाओ स्कूल में. तो मैं स्कूल में गई और उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि आप बैठ जाइए. इट्स नॉट दैट आरव जस्ट डजंट स्पीक, उसके बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, रेड फ्लैग्स है which shows that he might be in the autism spectrum. So I asked her, I totally ignored that because I never knew anything about autism. I had zero knowledge about autism. So she told me that Arav just, it's not that Arav doesn't speak, Arav doesn't interact with his teachers, Arav doesn't play with the other children, he's completely in his own world. I got that, I took it very casually, I went back to work. कुछ दिन बाद आरव को बहुत ज़्यादा बुखार आया था. सो आरव का जो पीडियाट्रिशियन था, he was not available in Kolkata. I took him to a very old pediatrician, he was quite aged, so I took him there. The pediatrician started talking to Arav, he made me sit down comfortably and he told me, you look like somebody who likes to read and you can go back home, do your research on autism and come back to me. I was totally in a shock that this doctor is telling me something which my son has and I'm not aware of it. I went back home, I researched, I found out about autism, and I was in a state of shock, a state of denial, I would say. I didn't want to accept that my son can have something like this. No parent would be able to accept something that my child is not like the other neurodiverse population. तो मुझे भी accept नहीं करना था. मैं घर में वापस आई, husband को बोली, he was like completely no, नहीं, nothing. This cannot happen to him. My in-laws initially, see, my in-laws are very supportive, but initially they were like, no, everybody was, no, he's a normal child, let him grow up, he'll be fine. But let him grow up was not what I wanted to accept. I was like, बहुत senior doctors ने मुझे कहा है कि आरव को autism है और मुझे जानना है और immediately कुछ start करना है. And immediate was the therapy. So both of us went back to the doctor. He told us that, see, he should go for an assessment immediately. At 2 years 3 months, Arav went to an assessment. And yes, he had autism. So he did not have speech. He used to fumble, he used to make noises, and I did not know how to take this forward. क्या होता है autism parents के साथ? Lot of inclusion, diversity workshops are going on everywhere. But जब भी ऑफिस के जो employees हैं, इन लोगों को पता चलता है कि the parents might be going through such stress, अभी भी support नहीं मिलता है. So I had to leave my job because I wanted to stay with Arav. I wanted to learn everything about autism. I wanted to do everything for my son that I could. In the initial stages, मैं कोलकाता में हर जगह घूमी. मैं घूमती रही. I used to take Arav to centers, therapy centers. I got referrals from. पर वहाँ पे क्या हुआ? I used to see children screaming inside. Parents were not allowed to go inside, and it was like they were just dragging children inside. And those sights were terrible for me. I couldn't let my son go inside and do something like that. Rejected. I went to another place. I didn't like it because everywhere what I saw was like autism children were treated very badly. They were not taken care of, which I couldn't take. So I wanted to learn more about autism. I was referred to a very good speech therapist by the elderly doctor I had been to earlier. So he told me, you go to her, talk to her. When I took Arav, then मैं उसको लेके गया. वहाँ पर जाने के बाद I started liking this speech therapist. She was amazing. She used to spend 30 minutes time with Arav, only interacting with him, playing with him. I started learning from her. And मुझे सीखना था. That was my target. It's not like I just wanted my son to get into the therapy. मुझे सीखना था. I wanted to know what is this thing that is going on with these kind of children. So I started learning more. Next, I took Arav to an occupational therapist. I was lucky enough. he was so good. He used to give me PPTs to read because I showed interest in reading. He used to give me PPTs to read. He's a very senior therapist. He used to give me PDFs, everything he had with him. So I started taking up parent training. तो मैं यही बताना चाहूंगी that autism might be challenging, it might be difficult, but parents should go into it. They should not stay detached. They should go into it, learn everything they can about autism and help their children. Everybody, every child in the autism spectrum is different. So you have to identify what is your child strong at. Identify, take it out and start working on it. It was a time आरव 5 साल का हो गया था एंड आरव को शिफ्ट करना था एक मेन स्ट्रीम स्कूल में. तो हर जगह मैं देखती हूँ कि राइट टू एजुकेशन जो है वो है, रिजर्वेशन है. तो आरव को मुझे स्कूल में डालना था. मी माई हस्बैंड स्टार्टेड सर्चिंग फॉर स्कूल्स जहाँ पे हम उसको डाल सकते थे. तो आरव जाता था, एवरी टाइम लिस्ट निकालता था, वो लोग निकालते थे और हम लोग देखते थे दैट आरव्स नेम वाज नॉट देयर. माय हस्बैंड यूज्ड टू बी हार्ट ब्रोकन मोर देन मी क्योंकि a child was not getting admission in any school. For me, I was searching for schools and I was like, okay, fine, next school Arav will get into. Again, rejection. So many schools we tried in Kolkata, all big brands, and Arav was not accepted anywhere. Finally, just before COVID, Arav, it was quite late for Arav. He was still in the preschool. But just before COVID, there was a very big name brand. They took interview of Arav, उसको लिया और इंटरव्यू लेने के बाद वो लोग बोले कुछ नेम्स पूछे कि फ्रूट्स नेम्स और कुछ छोटे छोटे चीज़ें. एंड दे टोल्ड आरव इज सिलेक्टेड एंड आई वाज डिलाइटेड. वो जो मैसेज आया था मेरे मोबाइल में, आई रिमेंबर मैं खा रही थी एंड द मैसेज केम आरव इज सिलेक्टेड. आई वाज डिलाइटेड, माय लाइफ इज सॉर्टेड. एज आई वेंट टू पुट आरव इन स्कूल, प्रिंसिपल ने मुझे बताया कि आपको यहाँ खड़ा रहना पड़ेगा एंटायर डे. I was okay with that. Although मेरे students है, I had to take classes, but I was like okay to make this adjustment also, standing down for my child. क्योंकि वो लोग बोल रहे थे कि अगर ये child out of control हो जाएगा तो we have to call the mother. Fine. फिर मैं वहाँ रुकी रहती थी, 2 दिन हुआ था just, and suddenly one day I saw I could hear my child screaming. I looked opposite side में, there is the playground. I could see my child just running out from there, completely red, security guards running behind him, trying to catch him. And I just ran. I just went. हम मुझे और सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स मुझे बोले कि आप रुक जाइए वहाँ पे. नहीं, मुझे बच्चे के पास जाना है, इसको कुछ हुआ है. He was completely red. He was in a distress. मैं भाग के गई और प्रिंसिपल टीचर सब लोग आ गए. प्रिंसिपल के रूम में लेके गए हम लोग. मैं उसको वहाँ बैठाई. The AC was on. I gave him a juice. Made the child sit. Principal told me ये बच्चा totally out of control है. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. He is a child. He is not okay. We can't keep him in the school. I asked her that during the interview, during the process of getting him admission, आपने मुझे बताया that आप लोग special child लेते हो. She told us that she told me that हम लोग special child लेते हैं but हमारे entire school में एक ही special educator है. I was again shocked. आपने मुझे बताया आप special child लेते हो पर अभी आप बता रहे हो the entire school, each class has 40 child and the entire school has only one special educator. I got to know what was going on. I told I am going to withdraw my child right now today. I do not want to waste my time. मैं आरव को लेके आई. I didn't know that. I was completely blank. I didn't know my next step, but again, I used to completely research that कोलकाता में और कहाँ पे स्कूल्स है in case I had to change my child, कहाँ मैं डाल सकती हूँ. एक स्पेशल स्कूल था मेरे लिस्ट में जहाँ पे मुझे बहुत सारे गुड फीडबैक्स मिले थे बहुत सारे लोगों से. उसी दिन इवनिंग मैं आरव को वहाँ लेके चली गई. मैं गई एंड वहाँ पे टीचर्स, प्रिंसिपल सबको मिलके आई वॉज सो कंफर्टेबल. मुझे लगा यही है जगह जहाँ पे मैं आरव को डालने वाली हूँ. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लेट माई चाइल्ड वेस्ट हिज टाइम. ही डजंट लाइक स्टेइंग एट होम, ही लाइक्स एंजॉइंग आउटसाइड. तो मैं नेक्स्ट दिन से वही डालने वाली हूँ आरव को. आई केम बैक होम, आई टोल्ड माई हस्बैंड दैट आई हैव डिसाइडेड आरव विल बी गोइंग टू दैट पर्टिकुलर स्कूल. एंड देयर आरव स्टार्टेड गोइंग टू द स्कूल and till date, trust me, Arav is doing amazing over there. He has learned how to study. He has made friends over there. So he knows what is friendship and he is a happy child in school. Finding a therapy center is very difficult when a parent gets to know that उसका बच्चा autism spectrum में है. अभी आरव के लिए भी मेरे लिए ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट था क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता था मुझे कहाँ जाना है, क्या करना है. देयर वाज नो गाइडेंस एनीवेयर एंड आई यूज्ड टू रन टू फ्रॉम सेंटर्स टू सेंटर्स सर्चिंग फॉर अ प्लेस फॉर हिम. तो मुझे जो पता था कि स्पीच इंपॉर्टेंट है असेसमेंट के बाद, सेकंड ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरेपी इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि ये जो बच्चे हैं इनिशियली ये बहुत हाइपर होते हैं, और दूसरा जो होता है सम चिल्ड्रन आर वेरी क्वाइट बट थ्रू ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरेपी फाइन मोटर, ग्रॉस मोटर, दैट मीन्स देयर राइटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग कैन बी इम्प्रूव, द बॉडी बैलेंस एंड एवरीथिंग कैन बी इम्प्रूव्ड. बट वो आपको पता चलेगा ओनली आफ्टर अ प्रॉपर डायग्नोसिस, ओनली आफ्टर अ प्रॉपर असेसमेंट. आरव was extremely disturbed जब भी वो रोड पे जाता था. He just couldn't walk on the road. Even after therapies, he couldn't walk on the road. हमेशा वो मेरे गोदी में. Now Arav was growing. He is a tall child. अब he started growing and I couldn't carry him on my lap. So it was physically not possible for me. रास्ते में जाता था and he just couldn't walk even 2 steps. हम लोग आरव को मॉल्स में लेके गए and we used to continuously make him walk in the parking lot. गाड़ियों के बीच-बीच में and he used to be extremely scared कि अभी कुछ हो जाएगा. He used to come on my lap, पर हम लोग बोले कि नहीं, come with me, and slowly he started adjusting and then he started doing it all by himself and then crossing the road all by himself. Sounds used to come, but again adaptation. Arav has learned how to adapt with everything around him. तो उसको डिफिकल्टी होता है, बहुत डिफिकल्टी होता है कभी-कभी, बट उसको लाइफ स्किल्स भी सीखना है. सो वी हैव यूज्ड बहुत सारे नेचुरल थेरेपीज टू हेल्प आरव एडजस्ट विद थिंग्स अराउंड हिम. आरव को ड्राइंग बहुत ही पसंद है. ही इज लाइक अमेजिंग एट ड्राइंग. वो एकदम रेप्लिकेट कर देता है हर घर का डिजाइन, टॉयलेट डिजाइन, and every hotel he goes to he can replicate and put it on the paper, and I have found out that that is his strength. He expresses his feeling through his drawing. So Arav is a semi verbal child. Abhi he has started speaking a bit, but he's a semi verbal child. He can use words to express himself, but his drawing lets me know everything that happens to him in school, outside, and everywhere. एक दिन आरव स्कूल गया था. वैसे तो आरव के स्कूल में हिज टीचर्स नो, क्योंकि ही इज इन अ स्पेशल स्कूल. आरव के टीचर्स नो वेरी वेल कि what are his behaviors and where does he get angry and what agitates him. पर एक दिन मेरे पास कॉल आया. मैं हमेशा स्कूल के आसपास ही रहती हूँ, मैं कैफे से काम करती हूँ, तो मैं उसको पिकअप करके घर पर. उस दिन सडनली मेरे पास कॉल आया और मैंने देखा कि उसका प्रिंसिपल का कॉल है. तो मैं आंसर किया और प्रिंसिपल, योर चाइल्ड इज टोटली एजिटेटेड, आप जल्दी से आ जाओ. 5 मिनट मेरा डिस्टेंस था स्कूल से. मैं गई वहाँ पे गाड़ी लेके और मैंने देखा कि आरव इज वॉकिंग डाउन. स्कूल के अंदर नहीं है, बाहर है वो. ही इज वॉकिंग डाउन. सो टीचर्स वर लाइक, वी आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड इसके साथ क्या हुआ है. सडनली एकदम गुस्सा हो गया. ही इज नॉट रेडी टू स्टे, सिर्फ मम्मा मम्मा बोल रहा है. प्रिंसिपल इज लाइक, आई ट्राइड अ लॉट टू कम हिम, आई हैव नेवर सीन हिम सो एजिटेटेड, बट ही इज वेरी एंग्री टुडे. उसके बाद मुझे भी नहीं पता था, ही इज टोटली एंग्री, ही वाज बीटिंग मी. आई टुक हिम होम, काम्ड हिम डाउन. उसके बाद क्या किया, उसने ड्राइंग बुक खोला और पेज आफ्टर पेज ही स्टार्टेड ड्राइंग केक. केक कैंडल, केक कैंडल. तो मैं केक केक के साथ ही कुछ स्टोरी होगा. तो मैं टीचर को कॉल किया. मैंने कहा, इसके क्लास में किसी का बर्थडे था क्या? बोला हाँ, एक बच्चे का बर्थडे था और वहाँ पे ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट केक आया था. तो आरव वो आ रहा था, हम लोगों ने बताया कि नहीं अभी मत आओ, वेट. दैट इज, एंड आई रियलाइज दैट इज व्हाट ट्रिगर्ड. आरव्स फेवरेट इज ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट केक. और उस दिन एक बच्चे का बर्थडे था, केक स्कूल में आया था, ही वाज आस्क्ड टू वेट. केक उसका नहीं था, ये जो था इसका एंगर. तो मुझे पता चल गया थ्रू हिज ड्राइंग, आरव वाज एंग्री because of the cake he did not receive. And trust me, from that moment I started making social stories for him, asking him to wait for everything. I started making stories. Social stories have worked amazingly for आरव. तो मैं हमेशा डूडलिंग ड्राइंग करती हूँ, सीक्वेंस में उसको डालती हूँ और आरव को बताती हूँ, ये जो केक है, दिस इज नॉट ऑलवेज दैट इट्स फॉर योर बर्थडे. It can be for some other child's birthday, your friend's birthday, and you need to wait for everything in life. So वो जो केक है, ट्रस्ट मी, उसके बाद स्कूल में बहुत सारे बच्चे के बर्थडे हुए हैं एंड आरव हैज नेवर क्रिएटेड any problem after that. So this is what it is like. His drawing has taught me so many things and I'm learning each day with my son. और next हम लोगों ने क्या किया, me and my husband used to travel a lot. So we decided that why not use travel as a therapy for Arav. So Arav started traveling from very young age. Before Arav was diagnosed that he was in the autism spectrum, he started traveling with us. हमने बहुत कुछ सुना था कि autism children can't get out of their routine. They can't adjust with people. They can't socialize. They do not have empathy. They can't sit at everywhere and use every kind of utensils to eat. तो हम लोगों को देखना था कि क्या ये जो चीजें हैं ये चेंज हो सकता है इफ वी मेक आरव ट्रैवल. तो वी स्टार्टेड ट्रैवलिंग विथ हिम. रोड ट्रिप्स कर रहे थे हम लोग 13, 14, 15 आवर्स, समटाइम्स 16 आवर्स. एंड दिस चाइल्ड सिट्स इन द कार, ही एंजॉयज, ही वॉचेस एवरीथिंग आउटसाइड एंड ही पेंट्स. And he has learned vocabulary words, adjusting with people, waiting, which is a very important thing. So he has learned waiting. He can socialize. He can eat anywhere. वो धाबा में बैठता है, खा लेता है. वो hotels में, big hotels में, small hotels में, everywhere he is able to adjust. Table manners he has learned while traveling. ये जो autism का diagnosis है, ये financially भी बहुत stressful है, क्योंकि initially क्या होता है, parents को पता नहीं चलता है कि वो लोग कहाँ जाएंगे. ये मेरे लिए भी हुआ था. I used to just splurge money on any center and I used to give them anything they used to ask for, क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था कि अगर मैं अपने बच्चे को यहाँ भेजूँ, ये ठीक हो जाएगा. ये इसको हेल्प मिलेगा. सो विदाउट थिंकिंग आई यूज्ड टू पुट बल्क अमाउंट हर जगह पे टू सी दैट इफ देयर आर एनी चेंजेस that can happen to my child. But again, that thing needs to be judged very well कि हम अपना पैसा कहाँ डाल रहे हैं. मेरे लिए we decided that we are going to spend that particular money on travel. So travel is the therapy for all of us, me, my husband, and in fact mostly for Arav this travel has started. So Arav's travel therapy has helped him, and our money goes there in the travel, and my learning goes with very few senior educators. The name autism in fact is so challenging, right? But it is not. अगर आप ढूंढ पाओ, अगर आप पजल सॉल्व कर पाओ, ऑटिज्म को पजल बोला जाता है, अगर आप वो पजल सॉल्व कर पाओ, टेक अ कॉपी, राइट डाउन एवरी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स अबाउट योर चाइल्ड. अगर आप ढूंढ पाओ कि ये बच्चा किस में अच्छा है, आपके लिए लाइफ इजी हो जाएगा. मैं इजी तो नहीं बोलूंगी, चैलेंजिंग है, पर उसमें से भी यू विल फाइंड योर ओन पाथ. सो डू नॉट बी हार्ट ब्रोकन. डिनाइल आएगा, यस ऑफ कोर्स डिनाइल विल कम. एक्सेप्ट, go to the acceptance mode. From the denial, continue your journey, because it's a long way to go. You cannot get depressed on anything. You will fall. आप गिरोगे, get up, pull yourself up, take a day off, okay, pull yourself up, and you will have to continue क्योंकि आप हो अपने बच्चे के लिए. If you fall, your child falls. So stay together as a family, accept, read, and move ahead in life. I'm so happy that I'm here today, and Josh Talk has given me this platform to give my message to all of you. क्योंकि I want every autistic parent, every child in the spectrum to be happy, to live a life just like everybody else. So thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm so happy that Josh Talks has brought this channel out where we can hear the stories of the incredible mothers and fathers of autistic children. I had somebody in my own family who was autistic. If you are the parent of a young child who has autism, please share your information with Josh Talks in the form below. This will help Josh Talks better understand the problems that you face and the content that needs to be created. Your information will be kept confidential. Only a few members of the team will have access to this data who will call you to have a short conversation with you.